To ensure you can enjoy gaming even in the heat of summer, the new Red Magic 11S Pro Plus really pulls no punches. Its blade transparent design gives it a futuristic look with a perfectly flat glass back and a true full screen display. It feels great in your hands and looks amazing, even during long gaming sessions in landscape mode. It is powered by the overclock version of the 5th gen Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Keep in mind, compared to the standard version, this one is binned. It uses chips from the center of the wafer, which means higher precision and better silicon quality. Well, I probably don't need to explain what processor quality is again. So its clock speed can reach 4.74 GHz, delivering stronger performance and lower power consumption in heavy gaming workloads. Or, with such powerful performance, it's not limited to just mobile games. It features a built-in PC emulator and connects directly to Steam, allowing you to run AAPC titles right on your phone. Take a look. The visuals and controls are buttery smooth, connected to a big screen, and it's essentially a full-fledged game console. Of course, in the sweltering heat of summer, phone cooling is an absolute must for gaming. The Red Magic 11S Pro Plus not only features the physical cooling fan we've seen for years, but also innovatively incorporates liquid cooling. With both liquid and air cooling running simultaneously, it truly achieves sustained cooling performance. Especially when activated, the RGB lighting on the fan, combined with the flowing blue coolant, looks incredibly cool. Compared to the cooling fans everyone else is just starting to adopt, the Red Magic 11S Pro Plus' combination of air and liquid cooling is the definitive meta for smartphone cooling. Additionally, many games are optimized for a 144 Hz experience. Paired with a Synaptics Touch chip and 3000 Hz touch sampling, gameplay is even more precise and smooth. Powered by the Red Core R4, it enables a concurrent 2K resolution and 144 Hz experience through super resolution and frame interpolation. And of course, GameSpace still features all the familiar gaming tools you're used to. For battery, it packs a massive 7500 mAh cell with 120 W wired and 80 APOE wireless, charging for long life and quick power. Worried about summer gaming heat or frame drops? The Red Magic 11's dual air and liquid cooling has you covered.